Today, we're tapping on something that quietly kills more manifestations than almost anything else: impatience. That uncomfortable grinding feeling when you've been working towards something, doing the inner work, holding the vision, taking the steps, and it still isn't here yet. And the longer it takes, the louder the doubt gets. Maybe it's not working. Maybe it's not for me. Maybe I should just give up. And that doubt, that impatience is ironically one of the most powerful forces pushing what you want further away. Because impatience is just fear in disguise, fear that it won't come, fear that you've been fooling yourself, fear that you're the exception to the rule. And fear is resistance. And resistance is exactly what slows everything down. So today we're clearing the impatience and we're clearing the belief that it has to take a long time, and we're stepping into the calm, trusting, open energy that actually accelerates everything. Here's what most people don't understand about timing: the thing you want isn't being withheld from you. It isn't on a fixed timeline that has nothing to do with you. The timeline is actually a direct reflection of your resistance. The less resistance, the faster things move, which means the single most powerful thing you can do to speed up your manifestation isn't hustle harder or visualize more. It's clear the blocks that are creating the delay. And that's exactly what we're doing today. So close your eyes and take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, bring to mind something you've been waiting for, something you've wanted for a while that hasn't shown up yet. Feel into that waiting. Feel the impatience, the frustration, maybe a little desperation underneath it. The checking and rechecking for signs that it's coming. The quiet fear that it might not. Just let yourself feel all of that honestly for a moment. And then notice this: all of that energy, that anxious waiting and watching and doubting, is resistance. And resistance is what's creating the delay. Not the universe being slow, not you being unworthy, just resistance. And resistance can be cleared starting right now. So take another breath in, hold it, and let it go. Now open your eyes. And now we're going to do EFT tapping, emotional freedom techniques, otherwise known as tapping. Okay, so start, just tap where I tap and say what I say, and taking responsibility for your own well-being. Let's tap. Even though I've been waiting for this for what feels like too long, and the impatience is starting to turn into doubt, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though part of me is afraid that the longer this takes, the less likely it is to happen, I choose to love and honor myself and clear that fear right now. Even though I've been unconsciously creating delay through my own resistance and impatience without even knowing it, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm clearing it all today. All this impatience, all this frustrated waiting, why isn't this here yet? I've been doing the work. I've been holding the vision. I've been taking the steps. So where is it? All this impatience, pushing it further away. And underneath the impatience, there's fear. Fear that it won't come. Fear that I've been fooling myself. Fear that I'm the exception. That this works for other people. But maybe not for me. And that fear is resistance. And resistance creates delay. So my impatience has been slowing this down, not speeding it up. And I choose to find that a little bit funny and then clear it completely because I'm done creating my own delays. Starting right now. The timeline isn't fixed. It's a reflection of my resistance. The less resistance I carry, the faster this moves. So clearing this impatience is the most powerful thing I can do right now to speed up what I want. And I'm doing it. I'm releasing the anxious watching and waiting, the checking for signs, the measuring how long it's been. All of that is just resistance wearing a different outfit. And I'm letting it go at a cellular level, all the way back through my past. Every time I lost faith because something took too long, I'm clearing the belief that it has to take a long time. That's just a story. And stories can be rewritten. Things can shift faster than I think. Breakthroughs happen in a moment. The right opportunity can appear out of nowhere. What I want can show up in ways I never expected. And faster than I dared to believe. I am choosing trust over impatience. I am choosing calm over anxiety. I am choosing open over desperate. because trust is magnetic and desperation pushes things away. I trust that what I want is on its way in my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. Actually, close your eyes now. And with your eyes still closed, notice how the waiting feels right now compared to when it started. Is there any more ease around it? Any more trust? Any more sense that what you want is genuinely on its way? And the only thing that was ever slowing it down was the resistance you just cleared. Let that ease settle into your body. Let it replace the anxious watching with a quiet, grounded knowing. It's coming, not because you're forcing it, but because you've stopped pushing it away. And that shift, that movement from impatience to trust, is the fastest route to everything you've been waiting for. Now take a breath in and open your eyes. Every moment you spend in genuine trust rather than anxious impatience, you are actively accelerating your manifestation, not by doing more, by resisting less. The universe isn't withholding from you. It's been waiting for you to get out of your own way. And today you did. Keep tapping on this one every time the impatience creeps back in, because the calm, trusting, open version of you is the most magnetic version of you. And that version doesn't have to wait very long for anything. Make sure you drink a glass of water, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.